Back to the English Valley channel. Today I'm gonna speak that you accustomed to take bread and butter in the same way your mind is running. Yes, firstly I'm gonna speak what it mean of bread and butter. Bread and butter means khana pina. Whatever now I'm gonna speak that whatever you are taking in the same way in the same way your mind is running, and that whatever you are eating, apple pie order that what are you taking, it is depend over your thought process, because bread and butter is not only simple food. Bread and butter is whatever you will take. No, because it is define your body language, it is define your mindset, it is define your thought process, that what is your thought process, what is your thought process when you will take wine. Yeah, you will take that non-veg. So after that your mind will be destroyed by the greed. It is not spoken by me. Yeah. When I speak, it is spoken by Swami Premanand, and that when you will follow him. So after that, you will get many things. That what is running us life. So yeah, when I speak that whatever you are taking in the same way, your mind is running according to your bread and butter. Because apple pie order that we have five tattva, five intimates. Yeah, we can speak that step hack. So you know very well that our body is running air, means that Ayu, Agni, Jal, and that three, I know three parts, and that two, that Bhumi, and one I am forgetting, but you know that our body is running five tattva. So you should know, yeah, you have to know that bread and butter, it is a part of tattva. We can speak it is a depend over your thought process, that whatever you are thinking in the same way, you are taking bread and butter. After that, in the same way your mind is running according to your bread and butter. Due to I when I speak one line, whatever you are eating, you should eat, because you have mind that what is profitable, yeah, what is not profitable. So yeah, I when I speak that when you will eat 1 month green grass, means that hari sabjiyan, green grass, green vegetable, yeah, green grass. I when I speak green grass means that hare patte raj, we can speak, and that green vegetable. So after that your mind will be changed by degrees, and you will get something positive thing, like spirituality, because spirituality is not our cup of tea that I will get, because it is a depend over your bread and butter. Bread and butter means khana pina. Firstly you have to know that what it mean of bread and butter. I had spoken what it mean of, but you will think that we just speaking frequently bread and butter, but I don't know. So yeah, I when I speak that bread and butter means khana pina. So I when I speak now that whatever you are eating, in the same way your mind will be changed by degrees, because I have felt one thing when I used to eat non-veg. So after that my mind was very disturbed, but when I had what to speak. But yeah, right now whatever I am eating, yeah, I accustomed to eat. So after that I have got one thing now, that my mind will be changed by degrees, and I am becoming spiritual fair sack. So yeah, it is a depend over your bread and butter, that whatever you are eating in the same way your mind will be run. So that's why I'm speaking frequently, and you should care over your bread and butter, that what are you eating. After that you will be changed by degrees, and as well as we when I am when I speak one line, that as well as your mindset, your mentality, your body language will be changed by degrees. So okay, bye, take care. I will meet you next video. But you should care your bread and butter, that what is my bread and butter. Fast food is not a good bread and butter, and non-veg is also not good, and wine is very 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 dangerous. So yeah, so you should take only like green vegetables, like chapati, and that only sakahari, that what have you eaten, what have you eaten. So you should follow the according to your mind, according to your thought process. Okay, bye, take care. I will meet you next video.